Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius Placements. This is your maikling reading lang. Tingnan lang natin, check lang natin kung ano ba yung mga pwede pang dumating, no? Hanggang end ng July. Okay, so, yeah. So, it's like halo-halong energy. Okay, so, again, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, available lahat. Meron tayong protection from evil eye. Okay, rings. Okay, meron tayong ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable, by the way. Okay, so pakita ko ulit isa-isa. Okay, para sa mga bago dyan. So, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. So, okay, meron tayong ring, adjustable. Meron tayong necklace. Okay, so ganyan yung necklace niya. Okay, papakita ko lang isa-isa. So, meron ding adjustable bracelet. Okay, and meron tayong garterize. Okay, so yan po, no? And syempre, yung ating newish, na item, which is our 2-in-1 money and love bracelet. Okay, so ginagamit ng mga business owners yan kasi meron siyang citrine. Okay, citrine is a money magnet. Okay, nagmamagnet siya ng money. Okay po, so yes, hindi lang love ang mamamagnet, kundi money rin, 'di ba? Hangga't, yeah, kunyari, naghihintay ka for love, madalas ang ibinibigay minsan habang naghihintay ka is money. Ganun po, ha? Okay, hindi sabay, hindi agad-agad, pero habang naghihintay ka, merong ipino-provide sa'yo to. Okay po, so this is unisex. Okay, paano po naging unisex? Pwede nyo pong ilagay sa red pouch kung lalaki ka. Okay, pwede nyo pong gamitin. This is gawin lang nating charm. Okay, gawin nating charm. So, next, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter yung taga-grant po, ha, ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, so taga-grant, meaning to say, ikaw ang magmamanifest, siya lang yung mag-grant, si granter. And, kailangan yung proteksyonan yung inyong mga minamanifest sa pamagitan ng paggamit ng mga evil eye protections. Okay? Ganun po. Ha? Parang makukuha ninyo is 100% kumpleto. Okay? Walang bitak. Oo, mga ganyan. Kasi kapag nasagi yan ng evil eye, ng kung ano man, may chance na yung makukuha ninyo is pwedeng hindi kumpleto, pwedeng may delay, pwedeng laging pornada. Okay, ganun po, ha? So, again, this is made to order. And this is unisex. Okay, yung ating granter necklace. Okay, so, yeah. And again, yung ating cord cut. Okay, so ito yung pangtanggal. M-A-L-A-S. Pantanggal alat. Okay po. So, pwede siyang isabit sa bahay. Sa front door. Pwede siya sa business, ilagay mo lang sa inyong, kung gusto nyo sa front door, gusto nyo sa table nyo, mga ganyan po, no? And pwede rin pang sarili. Okay? So, meron niyang mga legit stones, nandyan sa loob. Okay? Siya yung magbibigay balanse. Okay po? Pag po natanggal na yung mga kailangan tanggalin, pwede rin kasing hindi magtatanggal, pwedeng magsasanggal lang din sa inyo. Sa mga pwedeng magbigay ng hindi magagandang energy. Magkaiba po ang evil eye protection at ito po. Ha? This is panglahatan na rin. Okay, yung ating cord cut. So, next, yung ating pang-cleanse. Yung ating white sage and selenite. Okay, so for cleansing po yun, no? And for recharging, ng ating mga charms. So para siyang charger ng ating mga charms, yung selenite po. Okay, lifetime use. Yan. Basta i-charge mo lang rin siya sa kung paano na nakalagay doon po sa aking tawag dyan, manual, diba? So yun po, no? Again, kung meron pong tanong, message na lang po sa akin tong FB page for more info. Wag po sa comment section below kasi talagang pwedeng ang makausap ninyo dyan ay scammer, yung mga nanggagaya po ng ating page. Meron ako na encounter bumili daw yung friend niya doon. Okay, pero iba. Sabi ko, hala, wala po kaming ganyan. Oh no. That's not mine. Okay. So, let's see. Sagittarius. Okay, what's for you for the rest of July? Okay. So, reading starts at 5:25. What's for our Sagittarius placements? Okay, what's this? The 5 of Swords in the reversed. 5 of Swords in reversed. The King of Wands in reversed. Alam niyo yung salitang mako-corner? May mako-corner. Okay. Could be sa workplace. Alam niyo yun? Parang mako-corner. Hindi ko alam kung alam yung term na yun. Naku, wala na. Corner na. Huli na. Parang ganon. Okay, so for me, meron ditong parang mahuhuli, okay, na pwedeng hindi maganda talaga na gawain. Pwedeng sa workplace. Ayokong maging specific dito. Kasi, yeah, mahaba pa naman ang July. Hindi naman ito pang everyday, diba? Iba yung ating everyday na reading. So, talagang kunukuha natin yung specific. Let's see, what else? Okay, the 9 of Wands in reversed. The 10 of Wands in reversed. I'm hearing somebody will resign. Meron ditong word na surrender. Okay? Sana, sa gagawin yan, mayroong sabihin natin meron ng option, meron ng nakahanda, like that. Okay? Merong bibitawan dito. Okay? Sa mas okay. Parang ganyan. May bibitawang sitwasyon para sa mas maganda na i-receive. Okay? Parang ganyan. So, may chance. Some of you, meron kayong aalis ang sitwasyon or bibitawan para sa mas ikabubuti. Parang ganon. The 4 of Cups in reversed. What's with that? The King of Cups. Pwedeng merong connection na lalagpas, Sagittarius. Okay? Kasi some of you still hindi pa rin nakaka-move on from your past. Okay? Meron ditong sabihin nating green flag na paparating bago mag-end ang July na pwedeng daraan or sabihin nating lalagpasan kayo. Hindi ko alam kung talagang hindi nyo lang papansinin. Okay? Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Excuse me. Maulan ba sa inyo? Ang ulan, no? Anyway, so the 6 of Wands in reversed. Yeah, 2 of Wands. There's sabihin nating energy ng harang. Okay, we have here death. Too much focus pagdating sa hindi na dapat pag-focusan kasi kaya ganito. So pwede natin itong ang tawag dito, mabali pa, no? Gawin yung gabay kung sakali. Huwag nyo masyadong pag-focusan yung mga hindi na dapat kung gusto nyo nito. Nasa future pa to eh. Okay? Baka pwedeng bago mag-end nga ang July. Okay? I think mangyayari pa lang to. So, may chance na pwede nyo pang iliko-liko. Oo. Yung mga ginagawa nyo sa ngayon para kahit papano makita nyo yung energy na yon at hindi kayo malagpasan kung kayo ay interesado, no? So what else for our Sagittarius placements bago mag-end ang July? Anong energy surrounding you? Energies coming in for our Sagittarius placements. King of Coins, Page of Coins in reversed, plans. I'm hearing only plan. Okay, so no executions. Yeah, I'm hearing some of you hindi mo ganoon na pakakawalan yung pera mo hanggang end of July, I think. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Some of you, this is like securing yung pera. Kasi pwedeng may babayaran. Okay? Something like that. Or sabihin natin parang maghihigpit muna ng sinturon yung iba sa atin. Okay? Okay. So, what else for our Sagittarius? And I think, yeah, mababayaran mo naman yun. Kung ano man tong babayaran mo bago mag-end ang July. Okay? Nakakarinig din ako na pwedeng yung babayaran mo is pwedeng pa July pa. So, ngayon parang, August, no? So, ngayong July, ngayon ka parang magtitipid-tipid. So, next is the Six of Swords. Parang may magandang mangyayari dito, The Six of Swords. Yeah, the Lovers. Okay, in general, this is talking about partnership. Okay. Union, some of you. Reconnection. Okay. The Eight of Pentacles. May pag-focusan ditong something. Sabihin nating partnership. What's with this? Kasi parang meron pa siyang gustong ipabasa sa akin. Like malalim na basa. Tingnan natin. Again, the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, I'm hearing this is so specific. Okay, meron ditong sabihin nating nasa workplace na magkarelasyon. Okay, pero ang sinasabi rito is lalo na kung bago kayo sa company or sa pinagtatrabahuhan, hindi nyo raw kailangan mo nang ilathala ipagsabi na kayo. Yeah, the Sun in reverse. I don't know if this is tagulang talaga or talagang kailangan lang itago. Okay? Pwedeng meron tayong mga kailangang iwasan. Some of you, di ba? Some of the companies na pwedeng pinapasukan is parang bawal yung magkarelasyon. Parang ganyan. Lalo na kung bago pa lang. Parang ganun, no? At saka na lang mag-out kung regular na. Parang ganun. No? So, for me, as a gabay na sinasabi dito, wag nyo munang isabihin, oo, kung meron kayong mga kakonect. Oo, parang ganyan. Okay? Tsaka nyo lang sabihin pag regular na kayo. That's specific. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, bago kayo dyan sa workplace, pwedeng may connection na mabubuo. A relationship. Okay? So, next. Seven of Swords. What's with that? Seven of Swords. The High Priestess. Ito, medyo maganda actually. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Cups. Meron ditong sabihin nating energy na parang nagbibigay sa'yo ng stack up ka. Stagnancy. May nagbibigay sa'yo ng parang energy na hindi na okay. This is secrets, lies, deception. The High Priestess is here. I don't know, some of you, there could be this person na pwedeng nagsisikreto sa'yo. And may mabubunyag pagdating sa kanya, the High Priestess. May mga masasagot, I think. Mabibigyan ng clarity. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reversed. Some of you, there could be a person na talagang nakagawa ng hindi tama or nag-lie sa'yo before. Parang ganyan, nagtago sa'yo. Pwedeng bago mag-end ang July, magpaparamdam. Okay, someone will break the no contact, I guess. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Three of Swords. Okay, so, yeah, the King of Wands. Mababrought up lang. Yung kung ano man ang issue ninyo nitong taong to. Okay, mababrought up lang. So, siguro nga, mabibigyan ka ng clarity if ever. Masasagot nga. May mga masasagot kasi na magkokos rin ng pain if ever. Pain. Okay? So, meron ding mga malalaman na sekreto na magkakos ng pain, hatred sa'yo. Okay? Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, at Aqua. Meron din ditong Cancer. I'm hearing Taurus. Anyway, so there. Maikling reading lang. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay, let's see. For Sagittarius placements. Okay. Aries, ego, pride. Some of them, they're like, yeah, they want control over you. I'm hearing blackmail for some of you. Taurus, no balance. Some of you, this is talking about infidelity. Maybe this Taurus is doing something wrong. Okay, sa connection if ever. A Gemini, acceptance. This is gap, distance. Cancer, still attached. Leo, they're sad. Some of them, they're depressed. I don't know why. Virgo, gusto nila i-fix or i-clear yung air with you. They want to clear the air with you. Libra, they want to end things with you. They want to end the, sabihin nating cycle or loop na nangyayari. Scorpio, they're focused on you. They're focusing on you. They're attached. Some of them, they're obsessed. Sagittarius, they're ready to cut you off. Or maybe, ikaw sa kanya. Okay? They're ready actually. Capricorn, they're player. Aquarius, they're happy. Yeah, they are happy. Pisces, they're juggler. They're trying to balance things. Okay? So there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.